As you know, there are many types of ornamental plants that are trending in 2021. During the COVID-19 pandemic, most people spend time at home. So, to fill their free time, new habits also appear such as being collectors of ornamental plants.
The abundance of beautiful, well-grown houseplants give a special sense of comfort at home. Apart from being pleasing to the eye, some houseplants have the ability to purify the air quality. However, there are some ornamental plants that are toxic.
So, do you ever wonder why certain flowering plants are poisonous? They may look alluring and harmless, but appearances can be deceiving. For poisonous flowers and plants, toxicity is a chemical form of defense mechanism against predators like herbivores. Aside from protecting themselves by forming defense structures like waxy cuticles, barks, thorns, and spikes, these living organisms are also capable of releasing toxins or highly poisonous chemical substances.
Most of these plants store poisonous substances as non-toxic pre-stage components, which only turn toxic as soon as the plants get injured. Some cause immediate skin irritation upon direct contact with any of the plant parts, while others may result in even more severe health conditions or in some cases death if you ingest it. So, I want to share with you the types of poisonous plants. First is Caladium or 11-ear. Caladium, also known as 11-ear, is a beauty plant with intricate leaf colors. Its basic shades are red, pink, white, and green. The birthplace of Caladium are the tropical forests of South America. It's a grass plant with decorative sharp, heart-shaped leaf. Caladium never reaches more than 30 cm in height. Normally, the leaves have green edges, whereas the middles where the extra color appears. 11-ear contains calcium oxalate crystals, which causes injury when chewed. Symptoms are vomiting, drooling, swelling, tongue and oral cavity as a whole, which can lead to breathing difficulties. The second is Monstera adansoni. Monstera adansoni, also known as Swiss cheese plant, originates from the warm tropical forests of South America. Monstera adansoni is toxic to small animals such as cats and dogs. Most parts of the plant, such as the stems, leaves, and roots, contain calcium oxalate crystals. Even though it's not fatal, it's important to look out for the symptoms. Common symptoms are excessive drooling, vomiting, difficulty in swallowing, pawing at the mouth, burning sensation, and obvious irritation in the oral cavity. Third is Dieffenbachia. There are over 50 different sorts of pumpkins or Dieffenbachia growing around the world. They differ by their leaf form and coloration, overall size, and other specific biological factors. Usually, its leaves are a motley combination of dark green, light green, white, and yellow. You can see Dieffenbachia in almost every home or institution. People prefer it as a foliage plant, namely because of its patterned leaf. It can reach up to 2 meters in height. Pumpkins are indeed toxic, but not as dangerous as to threaten a human's or pet's life in general. Fourth is Sansevieria trifasciata, also known as snake plant. Sansevieria flowers are greenish-white, but some species may have reddish lilac or rose-colored varieties. The flowering shoots do not produce new leaves, but the rhizomes and stolons allow the plantlets to keep growing. Due to its dark green leaf with yellow, white or gray stripes. This plant has an appearance making it stand out among common houseplants. While it shows low or no toxicity in humans, snake plants are considered toxic houseplants for cats and dogs. According to the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, the plant contains saponins as natural insecticides and fungicides. Saponin toxins are found in the entire plant. These saponins are toxic for living beings and cause gastronomical reactions such as vomiting or diarrhea in humans and animals when ingested. Fifth is Adenium obesum. Desert rose, also known as adenium, is an extremely interesting plant with a peculiar shape. The representative of its family belong to the tree-like succulents. The cultivated ones are quite picky when it comes to living conditions. Not only that, desert rose is included in the list of plants considered dangerously toxic to humans, dogs, cats, and horses. The plant is known to contain potent toxin, which, if ingested in large amounts, can turn out to be lethal. The toxin here is ouabin, a cardiac glycoside, which causes vomiting, diarrhea, mouth and throat blisters, drooling, and intestinal pain.